this issue, governments can seek funding from international organizations like the World Bank or the International Monetary Fund. They can also partner with private companies to invest in these projects. Additionally, governments can offer incentives to companies that invest in these projects, such as tax breaks or subsidies. Another challenge of investing in infrastructure and processing facilities is maintenance. Once these facilities are built, they require regular maintenance to ensure that they continue to function properly. This can be challenging in areas where resources are limited. To address this issue, governments can develop maintenance plans and allocate resources for maintenance. They can also partner with private companies to outsource maintenance services. Agriculture plays a vital role in the economy of many countries, and its importance is even more significant in harsh climates where agriculture faces multiple challenges, including extreme weather conditions, limited access to water, and poor soil quality. To make agriculture sustainable in these regions, there is a need for investment in infrastructure and processing facilities. In this essay, we will explore the significance of investing in infrastructure and processing facilities in agriculture, especially in harsh climates. Infrastructure in harsh climates. One of the most significant challenges for agriculture in harsh climates is the lack of infrastructure. Limited infrastructure includes roads, bridges, and irrigation systems, which are crucial for the transportation of goods and accessing resources such as water. Without these facilities, farmers face low crop yields, making it challenging to earn a living. The solution to this problem is to invest in infrastructure. This involves constructing new roads, developing existing infrastructure, and building irrigation systems. By doing so, farmers can easily access resources, transport their goods to the market, and increase crop yields. Furthermore, these investments lead to economic growth in the region. Processing facilities in harsh climates. Apart from the limited infrastructure, the lack of processing facilities is another challenge in agriculture in harsh climates. Processing facilities are essential for drying, storing, and packaging of agricultural products. Without these facilities, farmers may have difficulty preserving their products, leading to lower market value and loss. Investing in processing facilities can help resolve this issue. Constructing new facilities or upgrading existing ones can enable farmers to preserve their products and sell them for higher prices. This increases their income, stimulates economic growth, and creates job opportunities in the region. Challenges of investing in infrastructure and processing facilities. Investing in infrastructure and processing facilities poses a few challenges that must be addressed. Funding is one of the significant challenges. Building new infrastructure and facilities requires significant investment, and governments may not have sufficient resources to undertake these projects. To overcome this challenge, governments can seek funding from international organizations such as the World Bank or the International Monetary Fund.